Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the fundamentals. Open Roblox account settings and confirm the exact phone number or email tied to two-step verification. Do this now because wrong digits or a misspelled address stop codes before they leave. Once done, make sure your device has an active network, cellular or Wi-Fi, and reboot the phone to clear transient issues. Also, turn off Do Not Disturb, any SMS spam filters, and carrier blocking. These silently drop verification messages. Now you escalate. Request a new code and wait a full 2 minutes before retrying because many networks throttle rapid repeats. If SMS still fails, clear the Roblox app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app. This fixes corrupted notification hooks. Try signing in on a different device to isolate phone versus account problems. If possible, switch to an authenticator app, scan the QR, or add manually, and make sure your device clock is accurate, since time drift breaks codes. To finish, use Roblox account recovery if codes never arrive. Submit the support form with your username, birth date, device info, and a photo proof if required. This proves ownership. Once support verifies you, temporarily remove two-step verification, sign in, then reconfigure 2SV cleanly, preferably with an authenticator app. If verification still fails after that, contact your mobile carrier to inspect SMS routing and any blocks. One key tip: if you get no
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.